For ease of use and consistent quality, SPARTACOTE products are trusted by professionals everywhere. Now, LATICRETE offers SPARTACOTE Surface Build, a high-solids, two-component, self-leveling epoxy with improved working and leveling properties. This versatile epoxy can be used either as a high-gloss clear epoxy or combined with SPARTACOTE Universal Pigments to create a beautiful, colorful, and durable floor. With its excellent chemical and abrasion resistance, this multi-purpose epoxy is suitable for both decorative and protective applications. Another added plus, it simplifies the ordering process by eliminating the need to carry multiple epoxy products. SPARTACOTE Surface Build should be applied to a properly cleaned and prepared surface and will provide the best results when paired with a primer, such as SPARTACOTE General Primer or LATICRETE Vapor Ban ER. Available in a simple 2-to-1 mix ratio formulation, its pre-measured A and B components combine to yield 5 gallons of material. As always, refer to the product data sheet for specific application and mixing directions. Begin by removing the lids from both the A and B component pails. Individually stir the two components prior to combining to ensure no material has settled. When mixing a full kit, pour the entire contents of the B pail into the larger A pail. If mixing a partial quantity, measure out 2 parts A for each part B. Scrape the sides of the pail to ensure no material remains. If tinting, at this time add the pigment to part A and thoroughly mix prior to proceeding. Once combined, mix for 2 to 3 minutes by hand or with a slow-speed drill, taking care to avoid introducing air. The mixed material should achieve a uniform appearance and consistency. Immediately after mixing, pour material on your prepared substrate and spread using a notched squeegee to achieve a 10 to 20 ml wet film thickness or a spread rate of 80 to 160 square feet per gallon. Take care to evenly coat the substrate and avoid pooling of the material. For an even finish, back roll at 90 degrees with a non-shedding 3/8 nap roller, overlapping each pass to make sure no spots are missed. The material will continue to flow and level after application, leading to a smooth, glass-like finish. SPARTACOTE Surface Build can be recoated in as little as 10 hours. When using as a direct wear surface, foot traffic is acceptable after 24 hours and vehicular traffic in 48 hours. Learn more about the full line of SPARTACOTE resinous flooring products at LATICRETE.com and by viewing our comprehensive LATICRETE University video tutorials at LATICRETEUniversity.com.